Hello, my name is Anna Marley and I work in the Galway Sinn Féin office. This Monday at 8:45 p.m. in the Westside Community Centre, Galway Sinn Féin will hold a public meeting to discuss Budget 2013 and put forward our own alternative budget proposals costed by the Department of Finance and published 2 weeks ago. We believe the government to have the mandate and power to implement sovereign decisions that are more just in nature. A fair, progressive taxation system, protection of essential public services and a strategy to deal with unemployment are not radical concepts only to be discussed during recessionary times. They're as relevant today as they were 10 years ago, but now more urgent and necessary. We now know that austerity cost-cutting measures have failed. The crisis looms on and communities crumble. Please join with us this Monday at 8:45 p.m. in the Westside Community Centre and we'll pose the question, is the government making the right choices?